So in this video we will apply BODMAS rule, uh, solving the problems by using this rule, but these are the questions, and we have to read the questions first of all very carefully, and we will check which things are missing, and then we will apply the formula. Messrs is traveling to Florida for a holiday with her family. The pilot announced that the current speed of the aircraft is 520 miles per hour. So in this case, we will see that speed is 520 miles per hour. The total distance of the journey is, so distance is given like 6850 kilometer. One hint is given that 1 mile is equal to 1.6 kilometer. So whatever thing is given, we have to use those values in our given question, then we can solve it. Keep it in mind. So here you can see that it is given that 1 mile is equal to 1.6 kilometer, and speed is given is in miles, and distance is given is in kilometer. So we have to convert this kilometer into miles by using this relationship, right? So if 1 mile is equal to 1.6 kilometer, this implies that 1 divided by 1.6 will equal to 1 kilometer, right? So from this relationship we find that 1 kilometer is equal to 1 divided by 1.6, then it will be converted into miles. So using this relationship, I am going to convert this kilometer into miles. 6850 multiplied by 1 by 1.6. In place of this kilometer, I am using its value 1 by 1.6 miles. After using this, simplify it and it will be converted into miles using your calculator, and then you will get the value into miles. So 68500 divided by 16. So it will give us the answer like 17125 divided by 4 miles. Now how can we simplify this thing? We take a rough sheet and we will divide it. 17125 divided by 4, right? 4 times 4 is 16, 4 times 3 is 12, so 4 times 2 is 8 here. 8 times 4 is 32. So our answer will be 4281.25 miles. Now we will use this value and we will find the time taken. So if the pilot maintains the current speed, how long will the journey take? Give your answer in hours and minutes. Keep it in mind, we have to read it. What is the demand of the question? So the demand of the question is your answer should be in hour and in minutes. So speed is given, distance is given. We have to find the time here. So what is the formula of time, as we have done previously, that speed is equal to d over t, right? So displacement value is here 4225 miles, right, divided by 520 miles per hour. So miles will cancel miles, right? And after simplification, 428,125 divided by 520 multiplied by 100, because this point will give you 100 in denominator. 428,125 divided by 520 over. So we will check what will be answer. 428,125 divided by it will give us answer after simplification like 3, 4, 2, 5 divided by 416, right? So 3, 4, 5. We will simplify this by using calculator, or you can divide it. 3, 4, 2, 5 divided by 4, 1, 6. Your answer will be 8.23. So the answer is 8.2317. If you will do it round off, 8.232 or 8.23 hours. But he said our answer should be is in minutes and hours. So 8 hours and 23 minutes. This time will be taken by for the journey. Okay, so this is the procedure we can solve, and we can find the value in hours and minutes. Next question is, Paula is a long distance runner. She is training for a marathon, and marathon distance is 26.2 miles, and knows that the current marathon world record stands at 2 hours and 4 minutes. Paula has managed to run 13 miles in 1 hour and 15 minutes. If she maintained the same speed, how far, being in minutes, the world record is she? So in this question, we have to find out which things is given. The world record, it is given that 2 hours and 4 minutes, right? Paula's managed to run 13 miles in 1 hour and 15 minutes. So 1 hour 15 minutes, if we will convert it into this time into hours, and again this time into hours, then it will be easy for us. 2 hours plus 4 by 60, it will be converted into hours, and 1 plus 15 by 60, it will also be converted into hours, right? So 1 plus 15 over 60, it will become 1 over 1 plus 4 hour. So it will 5 by 4 hours, right? So in this speed time, he is covering 13 miles in this time, and 2 plus 4 over 60, it will give us 2 plus 31 or 15 hours, right? So she is covering 13 miles per hour, not per hour. He is taking into 5 by 4 hour, right? So this is the speed of she is running 13 5 by 4 miles per hour, right? And how far behind in minutes? The word record is she. So they are asking that your answer should be in minutes behind. So if we will simplify this, so 15.25 miles per hour. So she is taking these miles in 1 hour. And we have 31 by 15 hours, and total marathon is 26.2 miles, right? So the total time taken is 31 over 15 point 100 15 times 6 is 90, then 100 and 2.66. So 2.66 hours. This is the total time taken. So how much hours she is behind, we have to calculate this. So she is taking 1 hour 15 minutes and cover the distance of 13 miles. Total miles is 26.2 miles. So double this, you will get 13 times 2 is 26, right? So 1 mile 13 miles time is 1 hour 15 minutes. 26 miles time will be 2 hours 30 minutes, right? And the world record is 2 hour and 4 minutes. And 0.2 miles, there is a little bit miles she has to cover. So 2 hour 30 minutes, she is taking 2 hour 30 minutes, and the world record is 2 hour and 4 minutes. So if we will say that 0.2 hours she is doing in 4 minutes, so she is like 30 minutes away. Okay, you can simplify it like that.